Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. Which country became the first in the world to shoot down an enemy drone using a laser based weapon system? Right answer is option A, Israel. Who was appointed as the Director General of Defense Estates in June 2025? Right answer is option C, Shailendra Nath Gupta. In August 2025, which state government declared Public Ganeshotsava as an official state festival? Right answer is option B, Maharashtra. Which state launched the Nishchay Self Help Allowance Scheme for unemployed graduates in arts, science, and commerce? Right answer is option B, Bihar. Who became the first Indian cricketer to take 100 wickets in T20 international cricket? Right answer is option C, Arshdeep Singh. Where was the 69th session of the United Nations Commission on the Status of Women held? Correct answer is option C, New York, USA. Which Indian company became the first to receive ISCC CORSIA certification for producing sustainable aviation fuel? Right answer is option D, IOCL Panipat Refinery. Which state renamed its Institute of Public Administration after former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh? Right answer is option C, Himachal Pradesh. According to the Happy City Index 2025, which is the world's happiest city? Correct answer is option C, Copenhagen, Denmark. In August 2025, who won the Masters section title at the Chennai Grandmasters 2025 chess tournament? Correct answer is option B, Vincent Kamer. Which fighter aircraft successfully test fired an air to air missile off the Odisha coast in March 2025? Correct answer is option A, Tejas. Which portal was launched by IRDAI to digitize and simplify insurance services across India? Right answer is option C, Bima Sugam. Which state launched the Bima Sakhi Yojana to provide insurance access to all residents? Right answer is option B, Goa. When was World Kidney Day observed in 2025? Correct answer is option A, 13th March. Which portal was launched in June 2025 for the registration and management of Waqf properties? Right answer is option C, Umeed portal. Which state government used a Tamil letter in place of the rupee symbol in its March 2025 budget document? Correct answer is option B, Tamil Nadu. Where will India's first permanent Kalagram art village be established? Right answer is option A, Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. Who was appointed director in the Ministry of Steel? Correct answer is option C, Maimun Alam. Until which year has the Union Cabinet extended the Skill India program? Correct answer is option A, 2026. Under which central government program was the 8-lane Dwaraka Expressway developed, inaugurated in August 2025? Correct answer is option D, Bharatmala project. Who joined the central government's mission Amrit Sarovar in March 2025? Right answer is option D, Indian Railways. Where was the Atal Bihari Vajpayee Institute of Public Service and Innovation inaugurated in March 2025? Right answer is option B, Reduit, Mauritius. Which state launched the Namo Udyan initiative in September 2025 to develop gardens in all municipal councils and Nagar Panchayats? Correct answer is option B, Maharashtra. Where will India's first private sector strategic petroleum reserve be developed by Megha Engineering and Infrastructure Limited? Correct answer is option C, Padur, Karnataka. The freshwater fish Petia dibrugarhensis reported in July 2025 was collected from which location? Right answer is option C, Dibrugarh, Assam. Who has been appointed as the Director General of the Indo Tibetan Border Police in September 2025? Right answer is option A, Praveen Kumar. Which country introduced a ban in August 2025 preventing children under 16 from using YouTube? Right answer is option C, Australia. Liu Jiakun has been awarded which global recognition in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Pritzker Prize. Who received the United Nations Sasakawa Award 2025 for excellence in disaster risk reduction? Right answer is option D, Dr. Mrityunjay Mohapatra. Which state hosted the 10th Ayurveda Day 2025? Right answer is option B, Goa. Which state launched the Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay Garibi Mukt Gaon Yojana to eradicate rural poverty? Right answer is option B, Rajasthan. Which country topped the Henley Passport Index in 2025 with the most powerful passport? Right answer is option C, Singapore. What is the official name of the torch unveiled for the 38th National Games held in Uttarakhand? Right answer is option A, Tejaswini. The bilateral maritime drill SLINEX is conducted between India and which nation? Right answer is option B, Sri Lanka. Who won the rapid section of the 2025 Grand Chess Tour held in Zagreb, Croatia? Right answer is option C, T. Gukesh. Lee Jae-myung has been elected as the president of which country in 2025? Right answer is option D, South Korea. Which institution launched the Drum app in June 2025 to promote eco-friendly commuting routes? Right answer is option B, IIT Kharagpur. Khichan and Menar wetlands, which were recently designated as Ramsar sites, are located in which Indian state? Right answer is option B, Rajasthan. Who became the first female fighter pilot of the Indian Navy? Right answer is option A, Astha Punia. On which date is World Environment Day celebrated every year? Correct answer is option B, 5th June. Who has been appointed the new acting president of the BCCI? Right answer is option C, Rajiv Shukla. Where was the G7 summit held in June 2025? Correct answer is option B, Canada. Where was the United Nations Food Systems Summit Stocktake 2025 hosted? Right answer is option A, Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. What is India's position in the Global Terrorism Index 2025? Right answer is option B, 14th position. Which state implemented the Annadata Sukhi Bhava Yojana to assist farmers with seeds and fertilizers? Correct answer is option A, Andhra Pradesh. Who has been named the new Revenue Secretary in the Union Finance Ministry? Correct answer is option C, Arvind Srivastav. Which city hosted India's first transgender led Mitra clinic relaunched with support from Tata Trusts? Right answer is option A, Hyderabad. Which metro unveiled India's first indigenously developed driverless metro train? Right answer is option A, Bengaluru Metro Rail. Which Indian state became the first to impose a statewide ban on begging? Correct answer is option B, Mizoram. Who has been elected as the president of Ghana recently? Right option is B, John Mahama. In which city was India's first equine disease free compartment set up? Right answer is option B, Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. Flamingo Festival 2025 is celebrated in which state? Right option is D, Andhra Pradesh. Who became the first Indian to serve as CEO of Jaguar Land Rover in August 2025? Right answer is option A, PB Balaji. In which location was India's first green hydrogen hub project officially inaugurated? Right answer is option B, Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Where was the third United Nations Conference on Landlocked Developing Countries held in 2025? Right answer is option B, Avaza, Turkmenistan. Which state government launched the Parth Yojana, Police Army Recruitment Training and Hunar, in January 2025? Correct option is A, Madhya Pradesh. Which country developed a blackout bomb without using gunpowder in July 2025? Right answer is option B, China. Which state government has launched the Garudakshi online FIR system to curb wildlife crimes? Right option is C, Karnataka. Who was elected as the head of communications and liaison of Commonwealth Youth Peace Ambassadors Network? Right answer is option C, Sukanya Sonowal. In which city is India's first battery energy storage system scheduled for launch in March 2025? Right answer is option A, Kilokri, South Delhi. In which lake were the Khelo India Water Sports 2025 held for the first time? Right answer is option A, Dal Lake. In September 2025, who was appointed as the new Director General of the Central Industrial Security Force? Right answer is option C, Praveer Ranjan. Which railway station became the first private railway station in Uttar Pradesh in August 2025? Right answer is option B, Gomti Nagar Railway Station. As per the Global Digital Nomad Report 2025, what rank has India secured among the listed countries? Right answer is option C, 38th rank. What is India's global ranking in organ donation and transplantation as of 2025? Correct answer is option D, third rank. Which union territory achieved zero maternal mortality rate in September 2025? Right answer is option A, Puducherry. In which district did Rajnath Singh and Yogi Adityanath inaugurate India's first defense equipment and drone manufacturing unit? Right answer is option C, Gautam Buddha Nagar, Uttar Pradesh. Which space agency launched the Sphere X telescope to study the universe's glow? Right answer is option A, NASA. Which national team won the Copa America Femenina title in August 2025? Right answer is option A, Brazil. Who was awarded the AM Turing Award 2024 for technical contribution in the field of computing? Correct answer is option D, both B and C, Andrew Barto and Richard Sutton. Which state lifted a 28-year-old ban on heritage sports like bullock cart races, dog races, horse races, and pigeon racing in 2025? Right answer is option A, Punjab. Which state government deployed an AI based SMOS system to combat the spread of mosquitoes? Correct answer is option B, Andhra Pradesh. Which state hosted the 23rd Asia Regional Meeting of the Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapons in July 2025? Right answer is option C, New Delhi. India has been elected as a member of which United Nations body for the 2026 to 28 term? Right answer is option D, both B and C, UN Human Rights Council and UN Economic and Social Council. Which Indian origin executive was chosen as the new CEO of Air New Zealand in 2025? Right answer is option B, Nikhil Ravishankar. In July 2025, India initiated the first Coast Guard exercise named Jamata off the Chennai coast with which partner nation? Correct answer is option A, Japan. Which country was officially accepted as a partner country in the BRICS group in June 2025? Right answer is option B, Vietnam. The Attukal Pongal festival is celebrated in which state? Correct answer is option A, Kerala. Who inaugurated the indigenous spy plane project known as iStar in June 2025? Right answer is option C, Indian Air Force. Who has taken charge as the chairman cum managing director of National Aluminium Company Limited? Right answer is option A, Brijendra Pratap Singh. In which wildlife sanctuary did the Madhya Pradesh government approve the transfer of cheetahs from Kuno National Park? Right answer is option A, Gandhi Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary. Who penned the book Democracy's Heartland Inside the Battle for Power in South Asia? Right answer is option A, S.Y. Qureshi. Which union territory became the 19th legislature in India to adopt the National E-Vidhan application in June 2025? Right answer is option B, Puducherry. Who has taken charge as the 53rd Chief Justice of India? Right answer is option A, Justice Suryakant. The Indian Navy's indigenous guided missile warship INS Surat carried out a joint exercise with the Italian Navy in which maritime region? Right answer is option A, Arabian Sea. What is India's position in the World Press Freedom Index 2025? Right answer is option B, 151st position. Which state or union territory launched the U Special bus service to support student transportation? Correct answer is option A, Delhi. India signed a memorandum of cooperation on critical minerals with which country? Right answer is option B, Japan. In August 2025, which city of Tamil Nadu became the first to introduce a city biodiversity index? Correct answer is option C, Chennai. During the 15th India Japan Annual Summit, the chief priest of which Japanese temple presented PM Modi with a Daruma doll? Right answer is option A, Shorinzan Darumaji Temple. Which state launched a border tourism initiative in June 2025 to promote travel along its frontier regions? Right answer is option A, Himachal Pradesh. What is the newly assigned name for the Pachmarhi Wildlife Sanctuary of Madhya Pradesh? Right answer is option D, Raja Bhabut Singh Wildlife Sanctuary. The Pradhan Mantri Surakshit Matritva Abhiyan completes 9 years in June 2025. On which date was this initiative originally launched? Right answer is option C, June 9th, 2016. Who became Nepal's first woman prime minister in September 2025? Right answer is option A, Sushila Karki. Which country was reported to have the world's highest elderly population in September 2025? Right answer is option C, Japan. In August 2025, Prime Minister Narendra Modi released a commemorative coin to honor Emperor Rajendra Chola I. What was the denomination of this special coin? Right answer is option C, rupees 1000. Which student set a world record in August 2025 by performing Bharatanatyam continuously for an extraordinary 170 hours? Right answer is option A, Ramona Pereira. India and China agreed in August 2025 to reopen which Himalayan border trade route after 5 years of closure? Right answer is option C, Shipkila, Himachal Pradesh. Which state government introduced the Chief Minister Jeevan Anuprerna Yojana aimed at supporting research scholars? Right answer is option A, Assam. Which country launched the project Secure in May 2025 to absorb carbon directly from ocean water? Right answer is option C, United Kingdom. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.